Hey y'all, welcome and welcome back to another video. So for today, I am actually going to sit down and do a braid out with y'all. I feel like it has been forever and a day since I did that. Right now I am pre-pooing. I know you can see it all over my face and all over my clothing. It is what it is, but it's a DIY fenugreek and aloe. I talk about it in one of my vlogs. I'll be sure to have that linked in the card above and in the description box so you can check that out and know exactly what I'm talking about, because we always pre-poo over here, well, 90% of the time. Instead of coming on camera and going in the shower and showing y'all what I'm using to cleanse my hair today, I am going to just show you right now. I'm going to use the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Super Moisture Shampoo, and then I'm going to go in with the deep conditioning mask. Apparently I'm out of it, and thank God I have this sample because I really wanted to use that on my hair today. And also I have a whole video on these products which will be linked as well if you aren't familiar with my channel. So without any further talking, let's go ahead and get this day started. My hair has been washed, deep conditioned. I left that mask on for like 2 hours. I was hungry. I had to cook me some breakfast. But anyways, for my leave-in, I went in with the Sienna Naturals Do Magic. And of course, I paired it with their anti-breakage styling oil. I love this. If you haven't seen my Sienna Naturals video, I will have that linked. And also like my favorites videos, because I feel like all of these products were mentioned in my favorites. Yeah, I just really love that oil. It almost feels like a serum to me, which to me seems more nourishing. So since I am doing a braid out today, I'm going in with the coconut mango hair butter from Kinky Tresses. Not gonna focus because it's white, but whatever. It's been about 20 minutes since I got out of the shower and my hair is still pretty wet. Okay, so I'm back. I had to do a little change of the outfit. The armpits wasn't ready to be in front of y'all today. So what was I saying? I've been out of the shower for about 20 minutes and I thought that my hair would be a little drier than this, but it is still soaking wet, and I don't really like doing braid outs on soaking wet hair because it's gonna take my hair 4 days to dry. But we gonna pray that is not the case here. I really want to do a good job with this braid out because I also want to dust my ends. If you haven't noticed, I'm about to have a whole conversation with y'all while I braid my hair. Typically, you know, I get my hair trimmed every 3 months, but I'm trying to extend that to at least 4 now. And my last trim was the end of June, like June 21st, and it's now like the middle of September. So I just want to dust the ends in this braid out real quick. Not too much. My hair's been getting pretty tangled on the ends when I do wash and goes and such. I'm gonna go in with about that much of the twisting butter and just apply that liberally. So yeah, I wanted to chat with you guys about some things while I did this braid out. One, your girl is retiring as a product junkie. Yeah, I'm pretty much over it. And to be completely honest, I didn't really buy this many products before I started my YouTube channel. And I feel like I say that all the time, but in case this is your first time here, yeah, I really wasn't a product junkie until I started this channel. So the thing is, it's been bittersweet being a product junkie, because I've tried a lot of products that I never would have tried, which is, you know, good and bad. But I tried so many products because, one, I was trying to grow on this platform, and in order to grow, you gotta do what the people are gonna watch. And to be honest, product reviews was it. Like, that's what people were tuning in for, to see how the products worked on my hair. And like, all that is fine and dandy, don't get me wrong, but it just really leads to like clutter and like just a whole bunch of stuff that like I'm never really going to use. and I'm tired of wasting. Like, I really don't want to. And to be honest, like, I've already cut back on the amount of hair products that I purchase. I may, unless it's something like really good. Like, I just purchased the new 𝚤𝚎 beauty line, but that was a given. Like, I was gonna purchase that regardless, and I did just buy that 𝚅𝚒𝚏𝚒, but like, I didn't buy the shampoo because I don't need another shampoo. I don't really like shampoos like that. So yeah, hashtag use your stash is in full effect. Product hauls as far as hair products, you won't be seeing a lot of that from me. In the last year, I've canceled my curl box, and to be honest, a lot of the products that I have in my stash were from curl box and were products that I would have never really used, and I don't think my audience really uses. And so yeah, I'm going to try my best to like give them away to my friends and family, and also like try and use some of them up. But no, we're gonna stop all this wasting money on buying products, because that ain't it. Y'all, this is like the happiest I've been with my hair also in a really long time. I definitely think putting my hair up in those faux locks was so good for me and Fred, because I needed a break. I just I wish I could take a month-long break from life, but I can't. But I just needed a break from doing my hair, and look at him. He just looks so good to me. He looks good, he feels good. Like, my hair is just in such a good state, which is also why I'm cutting back on the amount of products that I buy, because I feel like if you are familiar with my channel, then you know, like, I feel like I have the staples. Like, I have the products in my stash already that I know work for my hair. Like, I have just seen such a difference in my hair in the last year, and it's come from like knowing the products that work on my hair and genuinely changing the way that I think about the products that I use. Like, I've seen a 180 in my hair, and y'all have seen it too, because I get so many compliments about how my hair has grown in the last year. And I get so many compliments on Instagram, like, what are you doing to like grow your hair? And it's literally been like, I've changed my thoughts on like my natural hair. I really hate that my mother just interrupted the conversation and I cannot remember what I was saying, but I kept braiding my hair. I feel like I have all the products in my stash that I need in order to have like healthy hair. So that's really why I'm like bowing out of this like product junkie stage. Now, if there's something that you genuinely want me to try, like, I don't mind it. Like, that's how I got here. That's what I was doing. Like, I honestly do not mind. You just have to comment and let me know, and like let me know in advance. Like, just keep me posted that things are dropping that you're interested in. And it's nothing for me to actually get them. But yeah, it's real easy to get caught up in like shopping, and I don't care to do that anymore. Y'all know I already don't really buy anything for Black Friday or anything like that, but I will always have suggestions for you. And this is no judgment for anybody that is a product junkie. This is just my mindset and where I'm at. Because honestly, like, those coins could be allotted towards a vacation. That's really like my whole mindset. Is just like, I just haven't had like a real vacation in so long, and if I would just not spend money on the little things that I want so bad and just wait for the bigger things. For instance, like, what I'm saying is, like, I bought that Dyson hair dryer last year, $400. You know what I mean? Now, great investment. I love my Dyson hair dryer. I use that baby every other day. I use it at least twice a week. So yeah, I love it. And obviously it hasn't damaged my hair, because look at how good my hair looks. It takes no time for me to dry my hair. It honestly was a great investment for me in this channel, if I'm completely honest. But on the other hand, that $400 could have been like a trip to the beach. Like, I could be somewhere in Wilmington or Virginia Beach with that money for a weekend. So that's just where my mind is nowadays. Like, now that my channel is kind of established, and I mean, just to be completely honest, now that it's monetized and I am at the place that I was kind of like working towards, and now I'm really just focused on like growing my channel. But now that I've made it to that, like, I can chill on buying all the products. But I will forever do product reviews if y'all want me to. But I really am enjoying showing y'all like how these products work together. If you're an OG to my channel, which isn't that long ago, like, I've only had my channel like a year and a half, but I was strictly like only using whole product lines. I just really was about understanding the formulation and getting the desired result, right? But now, like, look at me. Like, I used 3 different lines today for this, and that is like growth in my opinion. And so it's because through this channel and from using these products consistently, like, I've definitely learned what works. You see how that was full circle? And to be honest, the things that I really enjoy on my hair are the more expensive, luxury, well formulated products. Now, don't get me wrong, I have found some really, really good, affordable, clean products. Like that Rhyme and Reason, y'all, like, genuinely like that, and so glad that I tried it, because that is clean and affordable, and most of y'all have easy access to it. So on my channel, like, I love using clean products. I just think like it's been better for my hair, and the better formulated products have worked better on my hair. I'm so out of the mindset that I need these heavy butters all the time, because obviously I'm using one today. But like, I'm gonna clarify my hair after this. I've used the oil today. Yeah, everything is okay in moderation, and to get the desired look, I will always use a butter for my braid outs. Well, not always, but especially in the winter. So I'm not knocking it. I just know that, like, these better formulated products have been great investments for me in my hair. You will definitely notice on my channel that I just won't be trying anything that looks like it is heavy in those natural oils and butters. And that's really just for the health of my hair, for the health of my pockets. I feel like I'm rambling at this point. I don't think there was anything else that I wanted to say. I just really needed to get that off my chest today, that this issue's gotta go. Side note, look at this length though. Ooh, Fred, you are showing out. You cannot tell me that that protective style did not help me. Like, look at this. It's been a long time coming, y'all. All right, so I'm going to finish this up. And like I said, I'm gonna trim my ends. And then the next time you see me, it will probably be the takedown. So you guys, this is my final result. I just used a little of the pattern jojoba oil hair serum to take my hair down, and of course I dusted the ends a little bit. But y'all, get into this braid out. I miss doing braid outs. Like, look at this, look at Fred looks so good. And for me to have used a butter and like my hair still, look at this movement, y'all. I tell you, this is one of my favorite braid out combinations. The definition is, of course, the definition of definition. It's not crunchy, it's not like super oily. That's just from the oil that I just put on it. Like, I love that hair butter. I love that leave-in with the serum. It's the perfect LOC method for my braid out. So I didn't even separate this even more. I just I went in with my Dyson and stretched it, but I don't even think that was necessary. I don't think it made a difference. I usually like a little more volume, but I think that will happen over the next few days. So definitely be on the lookout, because you'll probably see this hair in a few videos is all that I'm saying. Yeah, comment down below and let me know what you think about this braid out, and also like tell me what other braid out combos I need to try. I might not be trying out like cleansers and masks and anything, but like I said, I'm open to trying out different stylists. So definitely leave your suggestions. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big old thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in the next one.